If I am doing earthing for outer sphere like this, initially it is unearthed, means it is not, earthing is not present. Okay, its radius is small a, here it is b. Now if I am doing earthing, like earthing is just doing a connection with earth simply. Outer sphere is going to earth like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us suppose here charge is small q. So may I ask, like, what is the potential? Tell me. If you take any
0.
point here, potential is 0. So that will be, according to you, a 2 by b
2 by V.
plus a small q by b. So when you are doing earthing, its potential becomes 0. So kq by b, kq by b. So q will be how much? Minus q. Is that what is
Yes.
what is the learning here? When you are doing earthing, then what is happening? If inner sphere is having the charge q, okay, then outer sphere is gaining the how much charge?
Negative of it.
Minus q. Understood? If you are doing earthing on outer sphere, if you do earthing on outer sphere like this, then this is going to happen.
Yes.
Equal and opposite charge is going to build on a body. Next, here you can observe that when you are doing earthing for inner sphere, then charge is not minus q. Q is minus a by b of q. Some fraction of q. Okay, understood? But in case of isolated body, this q is 0. But for non-isolated body, it is not 0. Understood? So earthing means simply connecting a conducting body with earth so that the potential of a body becomes 0. Yeah. So we are doing earthing just to protect us from electrical shock. Any excess charge is accumulated on a body, then we will not get shock. Mainly for heavy metallic appliance mainly we are using this earthing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I think learn. Okay, understood.
I'll write this along.
Please write. Any doubt, like?
No, sir. Clear.
Please write.